In this video, we will be doing another question, and here we have to calculate the time and then use our equation speed equals distance over time to find our distance. So, let's see our question. John sets off from Sutton at 8:45 and cycles at an average speed of 20 kilometers per hour. How many kilometers we have traveled by 9:21? So, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to calculate the time that he was cycling for. So, the first calculation we can do is how many minutes between 8:45 and 9 o'clock. And this is 15 minutes. Now we can calculate how many minutes between 9 o'clock to 9:21. And this is 21 minutes. And so if we add these two numbers together, we get 36 minutes. So now we have the time over which John has been cycling for, but we have it in minutes, and speed is given in kilometers per hour. So now we have to convert 36 minutes into hours. So what we're going to do is we're going to divide 36 by 60. And so we're going to write 36 over 60. And now what we're going to do is we're going to simplify our fraction. So we can start off by dividing by 6. So you have 6 goes into 6 times the 36, and 6 goes into 60 10 times. So now you have 6 over 10, and we can simplify 6 over 10 even further by dividing both the numerator and denominator by 2. So we get 3 in our numerator and 5 in our denominator, and this gives us 3 over 5. So 36 minutes is equal to 3/5 of an hour. Now we have our time in hours. We can now write our equation. Speed equals distance over time. So we know his speed as 20 kilometers per hour. We know the time as 3 over 5 hours. And so we can substitute that into our equation. And so what we have to find now is the distance. So what we can do is we can rearrange to move the 3 over 5 to the left-hand side of the equation. This way, we get 20 times 3 over 5 is equal to our distance. And now if we multiply the two values together, we can do some cancelling out. So we get 20 is equal to 5 times 4. Now we're left with 4 times 3, which is equal to 12. And the distance he has travelled is 12 kilometers. So now we have this other question, and you can do this question by yourself and then leave your answers in the comments. So we have our question. John sets off from Sutton at 8:25 and cycles at an average speed of, once again, 20 kilometers per hour. How many kilometers we have traveled by 9:37? Remember to leave your answers in the comments, and I will address it in the next video. As always, thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any new content.